If y'all gonna
I guess
record,
this is the Reaper, huh?
yeah, y'all come on this side, I guess.
Yeah.
And get in front of
real
him.
peppers, real heat.
Is it one jet?
Trust it. We're gonna do two.
No, that's the thing. You gotta eat two to make it. Oh.
Flavor's not real good. Starting to kick in spicy. More of like a pepper flavor. Here's a second.
Now I'm changing.
It's changing.
It's blue.
Oh, it's blue?
You better get the other one down before that
The
shit.
heat's changing. This shit's getting warm.
You're about to have sweat from the chocolate. Hold on.
Yeah, that fucker's hot.
Let them see you eat that second one too.
We going for it.
Things are starting to stick out.
Now you gotta go 5 minutes without drinking anything. Start
There we go.
once that chip gone.
Time.
There we go. This man just ate 2 chips. He the best so far I've seen, man. Now he got 5 minutes to go.
Crush one. Crush two. Tears. The tears be dropping. It's just fucking warm.
Bro, can you come over here right quick, bro? Yo,
Yo.
hey, yo.
I'm about to slide this way.
What the fuck is you doing? Man.
That's right, baby.
Hey, bro, you in my camera, yo. You in my camera, bro.
I apologize. Tell me that.
I just tried to, bro. Shit more
He
important
started
right
putting
here.
My eyes real quick. It's more important.
No, this is more important
No,
what I'm
this
doing.
more important, big brother. Can I ask you? You got tears in your eyes right now. Oh my God. Can I get a hug?
Yo, please, I'm shooting a video, yo.
I'm shooting a video too right now. On my own, like, can I get a hug, please?
It's hot.
Shit real hard as it is.
It's going on. It's going on.
Come on, big brother. Sit right side.
Yeah, we're alright.
Amen.
It's going off, bud. We good, baby.
Stay in front of this camera now. Come on. Yeah, come on. Let them see
It's
you.
hot.
Let them see that you can handle this, man.
Can you feel my energy when I walk in? I swear to God, you feel my energy when I walk in. Open your lips, open your mouth, breathe. Fuck that blue shit. Fuck all that shit. Let it breathe, big brother. That's right. You good? That's right. You got it. You right? It's warm, but it's the best.
Let me know when 5's up.
How is up?
What time we on?
On it. 2.5. 1. You got 3 more. You got 2 more. 2:30. You got it. Don't ever in your life let nothing drop like that. You're strong for that, brother. Breathe the life.
It's warm, baby. Tell you what.
Breathe the life. Breathe the life. Yeah. Breathe the life. Breathe the life. You got it. You're stronger than that. You overcome everything. Breathe the life. That's right. Spit it out. Breathe the life.
Shut up.
I got it.
Fuck.
That's what I'm talking about, Roof. I know you can't get out.
Sucking it up.
What was it?
You doing doing good too, man. You almost
Sucking
there.
it up, dude.
Let me get some of that thing, my nigga. That shit hot as a bitch.
What?
Ain't it?
I'm glad I wore gloves. For fucking real.
Can I try next?
45.
You doing real good though.
I only got 3 seconds left.
That is literally the hottest thing I've ever eaten.
Yeah, you doing real good because
The
I
hottest
had
thing I've ever eaten in my life.
the other
30
people.
seconds.
They ate one and they ain't go through. They ain't doing what you doing. You doing real good.
I've eaten some hot shit, man.
Done now.
Motherfucking thing I've ever
20 seconds. I'm next. I'm Willard. I'm open. I like spicy.
You know what, at 5 subs, I need a fucking drink.
I need one too, cause 3, 2, 1. There's 5 minutes.
That's 5 minutes.
Diablo! Devil. That water ain't gonna help. It's gonna make it worse. Get some.
Yeah, no, I needed that.
Oh my god. I was fucking insane. I already knew. I saw that shit right there. Oh shit. The body. Hold on. I got something out of that bullshit. I told that man. And mommy, I ain't talking about that to you. I know my little sister's cup ball died. Yeah. And can you grab that for him for me? Because I had to watch this goddamn time for my sister's child so on the bed. I just carried to another. And I went there for this real cut. This polish. Girl, you the best. I couldn't have got that man home with 3 seconds longer. For a minute long. Now, see that's way too expensive. He was done. He was talking. He was I'm like that. Look at that slow. Excuse me, King. Can I take this for you real quick for a second? You need some milk, man.
I know.
Some sriracha. Cream. Don't want to fight nothing. They goddamn do it. They do it. They do it. I ain't going. This way. I'm not wild. I'm me. This is my man. I swear to God. When you bitch come up here disrespect me, y'all better fuck that. Said enough. That pussy better be good.
Straight dude right there.
Straight real man. Wait.
You done too, man. I know you. Hey, you done it though.
Let me see what.
Done that. You the best so far out there, bro. I'm about to go.
My song will turn off in a minute.
No, this man ate the shoe up.
I don't know if about swimming. I'm trying to get back in shit. Look, right? You and my sister can have that shit. Oh, it's not just cut no ass. Hey, cigarette.
Yeah.
You shouldn't need a cigarette after that. You should just be
Please, if
like,
you got one, I can.
cool. Fuck. After that. See what I'm saying? Let me see that wet light. Don't ever throw it. I'm real.
Hi, it's me again. Dropping another deuce in the bathroom after yesterday, about 9 p.m. I think it was, somewhere around there, doing the one-chip challenge. Instead, my dumb ass decided to eat 2. Didn't have nothing to drink for 5 minutes. Wow. All I can say is I already dropped 1 today. Dropped my second one. Must be the second chip coming out. It burns worse this time than it did the first time. You might as well take a chip instead of eating it and just fucking boost that motherfucker. That's what it feels like. This shit's fucking hot. If I ain't got a roid right now, or if I didn't have roids, I got one now. Fuck. It's burning. About to fucking splash a little water up on that fucking hole, you know? Fuck. Something. Oh my god.